Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Siloam Springs local and long-distance movers near me. Local moving is one service offered by Siloam Springs, Arkansas movers that makes it easy for its residents to move within the town. You may think relocation can easily be done without local movers, but local movers bring, among other things, the experience to tackle challenges associated with local relocation. Siloam Springs offers a lot of recreational opportunities, among many other things, to its residents and visitors. It was once named one of the 20 best towns in America. Anyone who loves outdoor activities will consider the town a great place to live. It's no wonder many would instead relocate within it or away from it. Apart from experience, local movers like Siloam Springs local TM movers are professionals, so you can trust your belongings are safe in their hands. They know which routes are the best for making your relocation safer and quicker. They can also inform you of other services you may need during relocation that you may not be aware of. While local and long-distance relocation has their similarity, especially in the tasks involved, they have their differences, making it hard for one to do the work of the other. It's non-negotiable to hire long-distance movers for a long-distance relocation. Local movers are not expected to have the certifications long-distance movers need to operate. Long-distance movers also have experience in tackling challenges involved with the relocation service they offer. Choosing a long-distance mover can be tricky because you want a moving company that can give you peace of mind throughout the relocation process. You want a mover like Siloam Springs Long-Distance 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Siloam Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.